Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can stop loss orders on Kraken. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature. So first, you will open your Kraken app and then go ahead and log into your account and then tap trade. Select your crypto pair, which is either BTC, USD, or whatsoever. Then you will tap sell and select advance order and then choose stop loss. Enter the stop price and then the price at which the order triggers. And then you will enter amount to sell, review fees and order details, and tap preview order. Confirm by tapping submit order, and then 2FA verification may be required. Monitor the order in open orders and it will execute when market price hits stop price. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.